Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back again with another fashion try-on haul, and today's pieces are all from Amazon. I love shopping on Amazon. They have so many options to choose from and everything is super affordable. If you're new here, my name is Sandy. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger. I'm also an online boutique owner. I'm going to leave all of the info in the description box, so make sure you stop by and check us out. I can't wait to show you these pieces, and like always, I'm going to be trying everything on, and I'm going to be leaving everything linked in the description box as well as my size for reference. If you haven't yet, make sure you follow me over on Instagram because I style a lot of these pieces so you guys can see different outfits and how I put them together. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that I know that you guys are enjoying this type of content. I'm going to stop rambling now and let's get started. Okay, so first we have this super pretty cardi. I love cardis like this because you can definitely dress them up. I love the color combination, and the print is a must-have for fall and winter. And I wish you guys could feel this fabric. It is so soft, and the best part, it has pockets on both sides. You guys know we love pockets around here, so I love this. This is such a pretty cardi to have. They do have a bunch of different color combinations to choose from, and it is super affordable. So if you're looking for a statement piece like this is a really good option. Okay guys, so the Shacket trend is still very much in, so I had to pick up this one. I love the color combination. I really like neutrals. This is definitely my color palette. I love that this has pockets and it is double lined, so it is going to keep you nice and warm. The back is a little bit longer than the front, so it's definitely leggings friendly, which you guys know we love around here, and it is going to keep you nice and warm. It's a little bit on the thicker side, not too thick, but it's not thin at all. Okay, I am obsessed. I love this sweater. I love the color combination. I honestly love this entire outfit. I feel like I would totally wear this. I can't wait to wear it actually. I love how soft this feels, and they have so many different color combinations online that I think I need to go back and look at them because this is definitely a must-have. It's super soft and it is on the thicker side, so I know this is going to keep me nice and warm. I got this in small, and the color combination, I'll leave it in the description box. I'm not 100% sure which one I got because they have so many, but I'm definitely going back to get more because this is so pretty. I love it. Okay, I couldn't wait to show you guys this puffer jacket. I mean, look at this beauty. I'm obsessed. I got this in the color beige and in my regular size small, and I would say stick to your regular size unless you want it to be oversized or a little bit more snug, but I want it to fit right, and in case I have something like thicker underneath, I want it to be comfortable. It does have things on the sides to cinch it if you want to cinch it a little bit more, and it does have pockets with zippers, which is definitely a plus. This is super affordable, and guys, such a must. You guys are gonna see me wear this a lot. I'm going to get so much use out of this. It is thick, so I feel nice and warm right now. And it's so pretty. Okay, so here we have this super comfortable dress. I think this is the perfect dress for right now, especially because it's nice and soft and stretchy, and I feel like I can eat anything and I'll still be good. I got this in the color beige and in the size small. I would have definitely sized down because it does fit me a little bit big. I would have wanted this to be a little bit more snug, but I like this tie feature because it does help me make it a little bit more form-fitting. I am wearing, again, my Steve Madden boots. Love these boots, and this is exactly how I would wear this outfit. They have tons of different colors. I love the bubble sleeves. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more dressy, and it just gives the dress a whole nother look. The crew neck is also very nice, and it's just a pretty dress to have in your closet. I think it's honestly perfect for any type of occasion. Okay, so next I have this cardi, and how stunning is this color? I love olive green, and they do have so many different color options that I didn't know what to choose, but I'm so happy I went with this green. How pretty is this? It's super comfy. It is so soft. I love the buttons, and I also like that it's on the longer side because usually cardis are a little bit like shorter on me. I also like the sleeves. The detail is so pretty. Like I said, they do have a lot of different colors to choose from, so I'm thinking I'm going to get the black one just because it's like a basic color and I can pair it up with any outfit. But this is just a must-have. I love this. I love the cable knit detail here. So pretty. Okay, so here we have another dress. This is actually very similar. It does have this same like tie feature here, but the sleeves are different, and this is more of a jersey material, so I think this is a little bit more casual. I wouldn't dress this up, but again, this does have the same fit. It is super flattering, and this fits me a little bit more snug, so I would definitely get my regular size in this. Super pretty. It also comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay, so next I have this sweater to show you. I love pieces like this because they are so essential in your closet, especially when it's starting to get a little bit colder. I love the high neck. It's super comfy, and this is soft. It's not itchy at all. I've had really bad experiences in the past buying sweaters that are like super itchy, and this, guys, is so soft. I want this in every single color. The sleeves have this type of detail, which I really like, and it is a cable knit sweater, and this is exactly how I would wear this. I think it's just super essential. You can dress this up or wear it super casual how I am. This is definitely legging friendly if you want to wear it out like that. It is on the longer side, which I really like, but I like wearing these tucked in like that when I'm wearing jeans so that it looks a little bit more flattering on me. But guys, like, this sweater is so good. You need it. It's so soft. I don't want to take this off actually, but and they do have this in a bunch of different colors as well. Okay, so next we have this set, and guys, I am honestly obsessed. I love sets like this because you can get so much use out of them. You can pair up the top with a different bottom and the bottom with a different top and just change up your whole look. I got this in my regular size, which is a small, and this is in the color Rust. I thought this color would be a little bit more muted, but I do like it, especially with my brown boots. I think it just pairs up really nicely. The top is on the cropped side, which I really like because I can pair up with a different skirt or high-waisted leggings or denim. And the skirt is super comfy and stretchy. I mean, look at this. It's honestly such a pretty set to have. I do like the sleeves. They're like bubble sleeves, and it is a crew neck as well. And guys, you can't go wrong with a set like this. I think a set like this is so important in your closet because you can do so much with it. Okay, so this next piece, I wasn't really sure if I wanted to show you guys because I really don't like how it looks on me. I think if you're a little bit taller, it'll look better, but I do like how soft it is. I love the print. It's super nice and warm, but I just don't think it looks really good on me. I am petite, so this is kind of like, I don't know, definitely not my style, but I wanted to show you guys because I did order it. So maybe you guys like it, but I don't think I like how it looks on me. Okay, and last but not least, we have this super cute matching set. I got this in this like raspberry pink color. Not sure what color it is, but I'll put it in the description box for you guys. And I love this. It is super comfy, super soft. The top is cropped, so you can just tuck it in, and you do have the option to tie the pants. And look at how pretty. I love this. I think I'll probably get this in a different color as well because it's just essential. It's nice to just lounge at home, but honestly, I would just wear this with like my slippers at home. It's super soft and comfy, so I think everyone needs a set like this in their closet. All right, guys, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be leaving everything linked in the description box, so if there's anything that you guys liked from the video, make sure you go check it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions regarding sizes and colors. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you guys. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.